Here we have a package from our manufacturing partner in China, and hopefully we have production samples of Interceptor. Let's open the box and see what we've got. Let's start with the basic game. Top layer, a tray with our 20 fighters. These are in gray instead of their final faction colors, which will be purple and gold. Next, we have a maneuver template, laminated. There will be 2 in the final game. Next, we have our token sheet, which a couple of the tokens have popped out. Our map sheet, again 2 in the game. Our rule book, once again full color throughout, looks very sharp. And the bottom tray, which holds the cards. Pilot cards for the Commonwealth. Working side. Empire pilots. And the fighter record cards. All to be marked on with our dry erase markers. Comes right off. Next, our dice. Working. And fighter stands. Little dab of glue needed there. And there you have it, the contents of the basic game. Let's pack that up and see what's inside the other boxes. might be nothing. First off, Calistonian Empire. One tray with a maneuver template, fighters and cards. Looks sharp. One thing missing here, probably a plastic bag of the stands, which will go underneath the tray. And the Terran Commonwealth. Again, fighters, cards, and maneuver template. Baggie of stands to be inserted underneath. The last thing we have to do is to double check all of this stuff, approve it, and then they're off in manufacturing. Manufacturing shouldn't take it too long, but then we have to worry about shipping, and who knows how long it will take to ship from China to our fulfillment center in Tennessee. That's what we have to show at the moment. Thank you.